Axiom. No, no, don't write. Just see here. Open it and just watch whatever I will tell. Just watch. Okay. Axiom 3.3. Read that. Utma. Read.
If a transversal intersects
Correct होता हो दे. If a transversal. Ready.
intersects two parallel lines,
See here. If a transversal intersects two parallel lines,
then each pair of corresponding angles is equal.
then each pair of corresponding angles. These are corresponding. Getting or no? Corresponding. Exam 3.3 is based upon corresponding lines. Corresponding angles. Sorry. Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles means what? Perfectly. Kannik kaanabekide. Idu kannik kaanabek. Hang train aagಬೇಕು ಕಣ್ಣು. So these are corresponding angles. Corresponding or no? So if a transversal falls on two parallel lines, then this angle will be equal to this angle. This is called as what? Corresponding angles. If this is 50 degree, this also will be. Understood? Now we will try to find different types of corresponding angles here. Is this corresponding? Yes or no? Corresponding means what? One ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾ correspond ಹಾಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ. So if this is 40 degree, if this also will be. Understood or no? So these are corresponding angles. One more if you want to see here. Correct? They are corresponding or no? Okay, next example.
Example 3.4. If a transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of corresponding angles is equal.
Now see here, axiom 3.4 is converse of corresponding angles. Now till now what did we understand? If two parallel lines are there and on that one transverse will hit, then this angle will be corresponding to this angle. Okay. Now axiom 3.5, what it is saying means 3.4. If this angle is corresponding to this angle, if two angles are corresponding and if they are equal, then that means what? AB. This line is AB. This line is CD. Then that means AB is parallel to what? Parallel to CD. Exactly opposite of this. There are two lines which are corresponding 60 degree. Two angles which are corresponding. If two angles are corresponding means this AB will be parallel to what? CD. Ultimately we should understand that. Why? Because here can this angle be corresponding to this angle? Yes or no? Will bare split ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ 30 degree ಇದ್ರೆ 35 degree ಇರ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಇದು. They can never be equal. If they are equal, if this angle is equal to this angle, then ultimately this line is parallel to this line. Then only it will be equal. Understood or no? Only if lines are parallel, then only this will work. If not, it will not work. Understood? First what he is saying, two parallel lines will be there, one transverse will come, corresponding angles will definitely happen. Second what he is saying, if corresponding angles are present before only, then these lines are parallel. Understood? Next. Theorem 3.2. Okay.
If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate interior angles is equal.
Alternate interior is saying, see here, alternate interior is different, alternate exterior is different. Okay. Alternate interior is different, alternate exterior is different. Now see properly. If two pairs of, okay, you know so the
If a transversal intersects two parallel lines,
if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then its interior alternate angles will be equal. Understood or no? These are in the interior side and they are alternating. Can you see alternating? One kade illa, illi illa. They are alternating. Understood or no? So if this is 45 degree, this also will be 45 degree. Alternate interior angles. Interior ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರ್ತಾವ. Similarly this. Understood or no? They are alternating and they are in interior. So this angle will be equal to this angle. Understood or no? Alternate interior angles. Next. Next.
Theorem 3.3. If a
Uh,
transversal intersects
uh,
two lines such that a pair of alternate interior angles is equal, then
uh.
the two lines are parallel.
Now exactly opposite of this. If before only two angles are present, okay, and they are alternating to each other, and if they are equal, then AB will be parallel to AB will be parallel to what? CD. Understood or no? Before only alternating interangles are present, and if they are equal means definitely AB is parallel to CD. If AB is parallel to CD, then only it will work. If angles are like this, will they work? Will this angle be equal to this angle? Are they equal? Never. They will not be equal. If they are equal, then AB will be parallel to CD. When this will work only if we have parallel lines. Parallel ಇರಬೇಕು ಒಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಲೈನ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Understood or no? First one is corresponding angle. This one is alternate interior angle. Both will work if we have parallel lines. Okay, right.